Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about how to make the decision. Most of the time, people don't know how to make the decision. Decisions, most of the time, they're not used to making how to make the decision because uh, the decision making, maybe their parents are making, maybe some other people are making decision for you. And most of the time, this how people are used to making decision. Other people are making decision for you, and we are not used to making our own decision. So for 2026, I want to talk about how to make your own decisions. Making own decisions is understanding, because once you make the decision and you working according to the universal laws, and that decision gonna come from you, and it's gonna come from your faith, from your belief, and and according to the universal laws. 99% people are not aware of how to make the decision, how to make the right decision, and then they start to think, if I make the decision, I haven't got uh, the things you need around to make the decision. Maybe, say example, you want to have your personal goals and professional goals, and then you just thinking in your mind, how can I make the decision to have a bigger business or new business, and because I haven't got money, or I haven't got the circumstances to supporting me, or your parents are not supporting you, or your husband or wife or your family is not supporting you, because we start to think, if somebody is not supporting me, I cannot make the decision. So what I have learned, making decision is a learning process, and this what I have learned, and now I'm very much aware of how to make the decision. Even nothing is supporting me, like money or family or friends, but I am aware of myself. If I make the decision, and and according to the universal laws, is going to work for me, because I am aware of that. I am not relying on the family or friends, the circumstances, and most of the time that's what we do, because we don't know how to make the decision, and other people are making decision for you all the time. And now when I want to make the decision about something, and I make the decision straight away, and I tell myself, okay, this is what I have to do, and this is what I'm going to do tomorrow. And doing that, and everything happens according to, because you have started making the decision according to the universal laws. Why universal laws? Because universal laws are working all the time. We call a law of attraction. And how you make the decision, with the faith or believing in yourself, and you know you are working with the universal laws, and universal law is within you. They are not outside. And if you believe in that and you have faith in that, and you make the decision, definitely things going to show according to that decision, and the law of attraction going to show you the circumstances, the people, the money, and whatever you're trying to do or have or create. So decision making is a big thing. It's a learning process. It's not just, if I say, okay, now I'm going to start making the decision. And but you have to have the awareness of how to make the decision according to the universal laws. You have to know the how the universal laws works, and what is a really decision, and how you uh, have the faith and believing within yourself, and then how you can develop that faith and belief in yourself to make the decision. For me, I got no problem making decision. I make decision very straight away, or I don't make it all. And when I make decision, then I take the action and do things, and things happens according to. And it's really beautiful to to learn about how to make the decision for 2026. Learn how to make the decision independently. Don't rely on circumstances or family or friends, the environment, and you start to learn how to make the decision for 2026. You're going to see the change. You're going to see the difference. You'll be surprised how things are working for you because you know how to make the decision. So if you really want to learn about how to make the decision, there is a book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. There is a one lesson just all about how to make the decision. And when I did my course, Thinking to Result, and we had to read every chapter for 40 days, every single day, and say a chapter about decision. And we have to read every single day, whole uh, from one chapter to doesn't matter how many pages, 20 or 15 or 10, we had to complete that whole chapter about the season and every single day without missing the day. So this is how I learned how to make the decision. And then you have to do it for 40 days. You have to read every single day for 40 days and then another chapter or whatever. So if you can start doing that, go get the book. If you haven't got the book, there is on the YouTube, you can start reading about how to make the decision by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And start reading it or start listening to it and do that every single day for 40 days. And then you see how things going to change for you. It's going to build in you how to make the decision. This is how we learned. And this is how every student has to learn that. And now people making their own decision and life is completely different. And most of the time we're just waiting for other people making decisions for you, which I am not used to anymore. People used to make decisions for me. Now I make my own decision when I wants to do something or want to whatever, and I make my own decisions now. And making your own decision and things going to work according to, and they're working for me all the time. So start learning how to make the decision. Start reading the book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and chapter about decision. Try it for 40 days. Then, if you still feel you need another 40 days, you can do that. And then, if you still need another day, 40 days, this is how I studied. And this is how we studied. So you can do that also for 2026. Start reading about the decision, how to make the decision for your own. It's going to make a life change. You can make the decision about your business, about your things you are doing every single day, and and then you will know how to make the decision straight away. And if you're not going to make the decision, and then you will know when to make the decision, when not to make the decision. You will know the difference. And for me, I'm making the decision uh, all the time now, and I am aware of it when to make the decision, when not to make the decision. I don't rely on other people going to make the decision for me, and I don't leave my decision on others anymore. And things are really going to change for you. So if you can start doing that, and it's going to be really going to help you with your business and personal goals, professional goals. And we had to learn that and start to apply that every single day. And life is different now, so you can do the same. And 2026, learn how to make the decision according to the universal laws. And the law of attractions are working all the time. Universal laws are working all the time. But we have to learn how to use universal laws and the law of attraction to use that as our own mind, to train your own mind how to uh, um, get out of your mind the thing you want. the things you wanted to do, have, or create around your business or personal goals or professional goals. So hopefully 2026, that's what you're going to do if you haven't done that. Or if you have been doing that, and you can start all 2026 again and make a solid decision. And hopefully this lesson going to help you. My question is, do you make your own decision, or people, your environment or your family or friends make the decision for you? Leave on in the comments. And what do you think about making the decision? And how confident you can make the decision? For me, I'm very confident now because I have been applying that and I have been studying about decision, and it's in me now, it's built in me now. This is why we have to continuously read chapter every single day to absorb that, and then you can get the confidence and have the faith and believe in yourself, and you can make the decision for your business or personal goals or professional goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant of Thinking into Result. If you do need a further help, I can help you how you can learn more about the decision online. Leave your comments and leave your message on the comments, and I can help you with that. If you have any other question around making the decision around your personal goals and professional goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.